Hey everyone, welcome back to my Jamaican Dream House. It's Wayne here, and today I want to talk about something that's really close to home, literally. We're going to dive into the cost of building a house today compared to when I first started this project about 8 years ago. Plus, I'll show you how my neighborhood has been transforming during that time. So stick around as we dive into the world of construction from the ground up, right here in Jamaica. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.
I mean, I say steel gone to like, wow, it reach 180,000 a ton what year?
Yeah.
It come back down now.
Mm.
Whoa.
Exact price on it.
Oh, okay. This are the column them?
Yeah, this is a column.
Column. So a column and them are the footing. Yeah. Oh. So but I say like steel like say the workmanship would have follow the price of steel. Huh?
No, exactly. They below it.
They below it?
They
Oh,
below it, man. By the ton.
by the so if I
I know where steel sell for you get paper.
oh, because I was under the impression where them say, well, boy, if I 40,000 a ton or 40,000 a ton work on it.
No, sir.
I said that's a wicked man.
If I 40, maybe you might get about 20.
Oh,
Or so.
backside, okay.
Yeah.
Then the days are over. Yeah, because I mean, for what's in it? Yeah.
I'm 100 and added it.
Oh, okay.
No,
Yeah.
I just, when you said that, I was not a suggestion.
No, yeah, exactly.
Right.
Exactly. No, because what them say is them that say this the price of steel.
Yeah, you said the same amount of money, the same price is steel.
Because
I think I spend 130,000 by one class steel.
yeah.
You must not pay 120,000 for therapy.
Blows ask. I say to the man them say about the black them too, you know.
Yeah, I see him thing about the black.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
how much
Yeah, man, I said thing about the black.
Oh, blacks. Yeah, right now, every bill right now, John, I'm not telling no lie. Every bill right now, me think me that change my mind, you know. Me won't bother. Me not think me that bother.
Yeah.
Me that discourage. I mean, from what me know.
Mm.
You understand? Me not discourage nobody still, but you know.
No, I know this story. I tell you.
Me kind of feel like say, boy, me glad.
But it come like it a change look if you notice. Them are young kids, you know them because I want to carry over there.
Well, you
Like the trend of change.
no man, that I worst thing you can ever do. That I worst thing.
That's no good enough.
No. I foolish decision that
Yeah.
because can't mash up.
Of course.
I mean, house can mash up too, you know, but it not gonna mash up so easy.
Not so easy.
Yeah,
You can buy the car today and same time you drive out the mash up.
exactly. I'm on the carelessly right here.
Right. Alright.
Yeah. Them your house, yeah. Them your house a mash up truck
Sure, man. Yeah, man.
with them building strong.
Oh, man.
Yeah, man. So.
Here you go, man.
One nice view up here, though.
Yes, man. Nice view. Yes, yeah, alone. Right on.
Mm-hmm. If they ever go upstairs, they'll get a better view still.
Yeah.
But me not recommend nobody to go upstairs again.
Upstairs, you know.
Me do it one time. Me do it already and I regret it.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, I regret it. Me rather one flat and done. Cause sometimes I left something in my upstairs in my bedroom.
Go upstairs.
I pick them have to sit up there sometime.
So,
Yeah. Yeah, one.
man, I think this is one plus, you know.
Yeah? One flat, yeah, one flat. But then people here, a whole heap of them have to dig out though, man. I'll jack them I'm have to use.
Yeah. Be a stone, but a good thing.
What that's something you call again?
Stir.
Store up, yes, store up. So the store up them. About how much am I gonna want for now? Roughly.
I told you that just, you know.
I thought all them do by the dozen.
Yeah, man, very good, man.
Oh, okay.
Now, when you build stuff, you can't take it to your labor anymore.
Oh,
So you make all the 40, 50,000.
oh.
I pass you up a load.
Okay. I know so sometimes it's like you overbuild them.
But you don't mind. That's not.
Yeah,
Right. It better you let more than less.
yeah. Because when the man done do my work, Mrs. some extra one left over.
Yeah, yes, man. You catch all the happen all the way.
Oh.
Yeah, man, all the way.
But just shake me and I said, damn. But that's how you go, yeah, man.
Yeah. And you know, say, this year man good at the sponsor until they are billion or him billion or something. The next man will come now use them, him go bill fee money. You know.
Exactly.
When he could have used them the one day. You know.
I true it, say you're right because I saw
But someone get your fees already.
Yeah.
I didn't not get none.
My building one.
Oh.
How much that? 2?
Yeah.
That's 6 for the bill.
But I don't understand still, Even though it's good still, the man them like all the closet them they got the foot in for.
The closet, oh.
Yeah, all the closet them they got the foot in for.
Yeah.
But even though not sheet rock still,
You know if it did.
it not really half a dig,
No, yeah. You got to scarce it.
Yeah,
You can't
I
scarce
build up the closet by itself.
exactly because because exactly. You can build for the cast. And it's just as strong.
If you have ability, you can build and go and put in food in the decking to see me.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want.
So and if I steal really want that, you can drill steal him in the ground and do what you do and go on.
Yeah.
You know. The house of Jamaica, then Chang.
Yes, man.
Over Chang.
I hate it incident.
Yeah.
I told the man making things so deep.
And what's nowadays, and now them a build them shanka. They have to take them and put some column in them. They a make sure put column everywhere.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
California, California, California.
30 a tea in this, Tea, just tea alone, the main items.
The tea hour.
They want over there, so.
Met the friend.
Oh, you mean
Yeah.
we like 3 wall meat?
Yeah.
So like a column and a wall going okay.
Yeah. So you have 2 pieces come so and one name to go so now. Pick up the wall.
And when I say about them tea there now?
Well, I say 32 of them alone in this.
Oh God.
So as you say about the over strong.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't need too much.
And a one flat. And a roof I go up there.
Exactly.
Now I think a roof I go up there. And when you look at veranda, I go there.
Yeah.
I say when the hurricane passed what day, I ain't a fret.
Oh, yeah.
All they been a worry about my window. I say, boy, the window sound away still.
Yes, man. Rock up the window,
And the man them sure me say the way the gutter bed sit down on the top, the breeze not going out so easy.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes, man. The breeze can't go on that way.
Yeah.
That's a sure thing.
But they have got to go to I don't know what about do the tank. So I have got to go to the tank.
Really have to go slow.
Hey,
Yeah.
cause they need a tank, you know. No run the water up here.
Maybe them never have the idea to Zern. Could have put it to them.
Oh, there's no
I
run.
remember Alex also never built fit tank up on India. No. You know about the pan. Them put on.
He put it on where the stone wall is, Joe.
Right, eh.
That's gonna be another piece of food though right there, so because if you dig out tank,
Yeah.
pan them rock yeah.
That is an extra, yeah.
Yeah. I like my builder say, tank had enough money, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Wanna do this, man.
Make you laugh about it now because
Yeah.
then the money I don't know if again.
Hey, you give a man what you hear before you tell your price, you say to you, say enough money. Charge you want to charge enough, you know.
Backside.
Me I tell you, me not.
Mm.
And you hear you come up and say enough money, you know. Enough you want to charge you, but you know how
Oh.
to charge you. Man can't make up on it.
All right, that's it for today. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more of this house or if there's anything else you'd like me to cover. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.